Part 2, everybody. Here we go.
From GBFKE, GBKFE. Been so long I can't remember. Doesn't say who it came by. Just says Rosemead, California. Came in a black in this plastic bag. And I have opened it already. Okay, and I got 2 paintings. Now I remember when I ordered these. This was one like when I first started, and I was watching Mindy's Diamond Moments, and I saw these on there, and I went, I've got to get those. So let's open this first one and see what's in here. All right, let's get this one out of here. I know, I'm a bad girl. I never opened these, and I should have. This is all stuck to the glue on here. There we go. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Nope. All right, so that one's done. All right, let's get this open. Oh, yes. My favorite kind of paintings. I love the Glamour Girls. That's why I ordered it. We got the standard toolkit. Little better wax, I guess. Square. Got a 4-placer, it looks like, on that single tip there. We got, and some baggies in here. Baggies abundigus. Okay. These are the drills. We'll go over there in a second. Let me get this folded. I watched her how to do this. And it is a poured glue. So these are mainly stock photos I gathered from Mindy. They are inexpensive if you have to go that route. But they do come from China. So the shipping wasn't that spectacular. And it did take a little while to get them. But it's a stiff canvas, and she did a review on these, so you've probably seen these before. This is a 30 by 40, and it's a partial. It's only stuck in certain places here. The rest of this is all part of the canvas. So let me take some of this off. Maybe it'll straighten out. Trying to get this whole painting in the picture for you. I don't know how that's going to work. And here's the drill field, or not the drill field, the legend. And this has 10 colors in it. It's a partial. And there's the symbols. Let's see if I can get this undone here a little bit. I have a feeling I'm going to have to place this under my mattress. And it's been wrapped up too long. I know I probably should have taken it out right when I got it. But that was when I was thinking. This was way back when I was thinking about starting a YouTube. So I think I was trying to save some of these so I'd have some pictures to show. Little did I know how many pictures I was going to order. Let's see if I get this off the bottom here. Anyway, she's a beautiful young girl. I love the Roaring 20s. It's basically what we called them when I was younger. Glamour Girls. Let me do it this way. Okay, let me get this back on there. There. Okay. Anyway, so we know it's poured glue. I can't get it back into the folds here smooth enough. I'm going to have to work with that. I'm not going to deal with it here. Anyway, she's beautiful. And there's the symbols. See? They're pretty clear, huh? Yeah. So I don't think I'm going to have any problem with that. I don't think, there's a small field down here and a small field up here, a legend. So I can't tell whether there's any ABs in here or not. Let's see. Is that going to come in for me? Oh, there we go. Oh, there's an AB, number 5. Okay, that's the line. All right, so this is all going to be ABs in here. And anyplace else? Nope, just her furry shawl here is going to be ABs. So that's going to be pretty. So let's get into the drills. I've spent enough time on the painting. And these are all special drills. And okay. Then I get these open. There we go. Take a look at the drills here. I know everybody likes to see the drills. Get this open. And these are in baggies too. It looks like. No, there's one. Oh, I see this. Look. Look, look, look. There's a pretty little drills to put on there. Oh, and those are going to go in her little hat right here. Looks like they're going to go right in here. Little teardrops. See that? Well, that's going to be pretty. And the other ones are in the regular bags. Look at all these. Let me get these this way. There's some bigger ones. Aren't those pretty? And some stars. And let's see. You can see better from the other side here. Oh, there's the ABs. There's the white ABs. Aren't those pretty? And some red. Okay, I see the red. All right. Little red beads. And those, I'm looking, they probably, yep, part of the hat somewhere, or part of the dress somewhere here. Let's see. Does this say what number it is? This is number 8. So where does number 8 go? Number 8 is a circle. So where are the circles on here? Let's see. Circle, circle, red circle. Ah, maybe right here on her ring. Can't actually see the outline. Probably on her dress here. Anyway, it's going to be very pretty. I'm going to enjoy it. So they're all nice and sparkly drills, reds, some dark, like garnet color. That's really nice. And some silver. Oh, she's going to be sparkly, everybody. Oh, and these look like more. Is there another AB in there? Did I miss an AB? Let's see. Yes, I missed another AB. So that's going to be an arrow. So where are the arrows on here? I don't have my magnifying glasses on, so it's hard for me to... Ah, the arrows are right here. Look, see? Arrows are right there. So those are going to be in ABs also. Cool. That's cool. All right. So that was one of the reasons why I picked this, because it was so sparkly, and I love these pictures. I love these ladies. I'll probably get some more of them in time. I know some other sites are selling it. Okay, so these I'll put back in a minute. All right, this is the last one for today. I know what this one is, and I know there's a reason why I picked this one. This one, and I don't know if she had showed this on her station or not, but it's hot air balloons. And the reason why I picked these was because of my sister who lives in California, in Temecula, and that is the wine country there, and they do a lot of hot air ballooning in Temecula around the wine fields, grape fields. I'll get this out of here. Also in her house, she had a mural done in her den of hot air balloons. So it reminded me so much of her that I had to get it. And this is a sparkle one too. There's the drills. We'll look at those in a minute. Now this is a beautiful painting too. And like I said, it reminded me so much of my sister. Because we see in the summertime and on the wine tours that are going on around her area, all these balloons that fly around, and they get really close to her house. This is a 30 by 40. It shows here. This is the picture. Can you get that in here? Well, I don't know if you really need to see that picture because this one shows up so good. And again, this is another partial. So we've got sparkle drills that are going to go all in these lines of the balloons. And there's 17 colors here. Let me see if there's any ABs in here. Let's see. Any ABs? I don't think so. Not in here. It would probably show it. Anyway, and then there's another legend up here. So that's good. So you could turn the painting each way that you want. Alrighty. No, I don't see any ABs in there. So anyway, isn't this beautiful? I'm not going to even try to straighten it out. All right. So I knew that when I open these things, I would remember. And oh, here's your standard tool case, your tool case. And it has the plastic tweezers in here. I am not a big fan of using tweezers. I've tried. I use them a lot when I'm trying to take drills off the wrong spot, or I decided I'm going to change the drill like to an AB or to a sparkle or something, and then I use the tweezers to get them off. Here's your red square and a green boat. Like I said, I have plenty of green boats. Now we can get this opened, and this is a sparkle one too, and this is got some bags in here, so baggies. So I know I'm going to just rip this open because I can't find the opening of it. This video is going on longer than I anticipated. I apologize for that, but I'm just getting into talking about these things and I lose track. So here's some special drills that are going to be going on there. There's some stars and these kind of, I forget what the shapes of these are, marquee shapes. Yeah, okay. Oh, and here's some cubes. Look at that. Some turquoise cubes. Cool. It looks blue in there, but in real they look turquoise. Okay. And here are all the colors. I'm going to do it this way so you can see in the package. All right. There's some reds and some blues and turquoise. There's some dark blues. Ooh, really pretty kind of amber color. And some purples. Look at how sparkly they are. Am I getting too close to the camera? Is it focusing good enough? There we go. Greens, golds, beautiful colors, beautiful colors. All right. So, there you have it. My first part of my journey. These were my very first paintings. So, I'll get to them. I'll get to them. Well, I hope you've enjoyed these unboxings today. I know you may have seen them before already, but you know they're new to me, and I enjoyed getting them out and looking at them for the first time. So I just want to remind everybody that I do have a Facebook group, and it's Diamond Painting with Joy, and that's in my description box. And I also have just joined the Buy Me a Coffee program. So if you like what you see and you like hearing me, if you so happen to want to support my channel so I can keep showing things. I know I've got a lot of new paintings on the way. I have a craftability that I just got a note saying that it's going to be delayed. I won't get that till about June 20th. But like I said in my previous video, you know, by the time I should be through all my stash here by the time those new ones come in. And I have a couple of Diamond Art Clubs that were pre-order coming in. So, and I do have some in my stash. So you'll see how I've progressed with paintings. So don't forget to like. I hope you like my video, and subscribe if you want to. Subscribe. I'd love to have you join me on this journey. And click the bell with the subscribe so that you know when my videos are coming out. If you want to come along with me on my journey through diamond painting. Anyway, so it was nice to have you. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the subscribers that I have now. And I'm going to close. Otherwise, I'm going to keep babbling on. Okay. So, bye-bye, everyone. And thank you for being here with me. And I'll
see you on part 3.
Okay. Bye-bye now.